Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase the bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Going I give up everything, daunting if I could see my dreams, make things right, 'cause I'll do anything to make one a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right, 'cause I'll do anything to make one a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. I was destined for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many ones that are so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy all from me just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything, daunting, but if I can see my dream, make things right, 'cause I'll do anything.
Kita naik ride pulang ke rumah, boy. Karena istri sudah ada di rumah dan kondisinya kurang sehat, kurang enak badan, boy. Jadi kita langsung aja balik ke rumah aja sih, boy. Jadi kita pulangnya bareng sama Mbak Jono. Yuk, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kita langsung pulang aja ke rumah sih, boy. Tadinya mau kopdar, cuman istri sudah ada di rumah menunggu, jadi kita langsung balik aja pulang. Kita lewat yang tadi aja sih, boy. Lewat Rapunci ini sih. Jadi kita lewatnya juga lewat Rapunci ini sih, boy. Dan motor ini nggak ada lampunya, cuma ada lampu alis kayak gitu sih depannya. Agak berbahaya juga sih, boy, pakai jalan malam nih. Tadinya sih rencananya memang mau nyorat sih itu sih, boy. Cuman ternyata bertepatan dengan acara teman nikah, jadi kita ke acara teman dulu nih, acara nikah teman. Jadi jalur ini tembus ke putaran ini, boy. kita pakai CBR ya, Bro. buat boros sih boy. Ternyata masih lumayan hemat sih, borosnya itu kayak gimana ya, mungkin dibuat lebih aja sih sih boy. Nanti bakalan kita setting ulang nih kayaknya di belakang nih boy. Sampai di Unhas ini mulai Unhas. Wow, itu ledakan dari Aero Progress boy. Dia nih posisinya nih boy, kalau nggak ada lampu jalan ya kan. Ini ada sih lampu jalan, cuman ya begitu terang boy, bahaya kalau kita pakai alam ya kan. Ya jadi nggak bisa sih boy kalau kita mau pakainya reading malam, apalagi kalau sampai keluar kota boy. Aduh parah sih boy, jangan sampai deh. itu gitu videonya, boy sampai di sini aja. Sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya. Jangan lupa di like, di komen, di share, dan subscribe ya boy. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Aduh.